Hi friends, welcome to Step 2 Digital Marketing. I'm Harpal Kaur. In today's video, I'm going to explain you how to design a very beautiful website using Elementor only. This website has a very beautiful hero section that includes an image and a newsletter subscription form. The next part is it has a recent post. Here list of all the recent posts will be shown. The next portion is to show the affiliation if you have any. As I have affiliation for Hostinger, so I am using it here. The last part is the footer. I have a logo here for my website, some my social media icons and some quick links. In the header, I have a menu. Under the blogs, you can find the list of all the blogs you have already written. On the right side, you can see the list of your recent posts, social share icon. This is a very beautifully written blog post if we open it on what is digital marketing. I have write this blog post using only ChatGPT. We will learn how to write this blog post. And next I have a contact us page. We will design this contact us page in this tutorial that is 100% working. The next part is the about us. In the about us, I have write something about myself and you can write about yourself and use the pic as per your convenience. Before starting the website, you need hosting and a domain. Let us understand what is hosting and domain and from where and how to buy it. Hosting is the space on the server you can buy for your website, and domain is the name of your website, like all the websites we know, facebook.com, appliancesinfo.com or flipkart.com and many more websites. These all are the unique name of your website. Many companies are providing hosting. You can buy a website from Hostinger, Bluehost and many more. Hostinger and Bluehost are the two that are trustable and well known. If you want to buy affordable hosting, then Hostinger is the one of the best option and it is providing the one of the best service in the world. First of all, go to the Hostinger's website, that is hostinger.in, and search for WordPress hosting. You can check the link of our Hostinger in the description box. I will provide you. Here in the drop down menu of our hosting, there are many types of a hosting like a web hosting, website builder, cloud hosting, WordPress hosting and hosting for professionals. Select the WordPress hosting and click on it. Now scroll down a little bit. Here you got all the options in WordPress hosting. These are a single, starter, business and a WordPress Pro. You can buy a single WordPress plan at a 69 rupees per month and the starter at a 149 rupees per month. Business WordPress at a 269 rupees per month and a professional WordPress at a 699 rupees per month. In the basic plan, you can add only one website on a hosting. In the starter, you have the capacity of 100 websites to add on this one hosting. I think this is the one of the best part I love about this starter plans. In the business plan, you can add up to 100 websites and the last one is the professional plan in which you can add 300 websites. If you are a beginner, then the starter plan is good to go. One more amazing thing about Hostinger is that it provides us with the SSD storage that is super fast and take less time to respond. There are very less companies who are dealing in SSD storage, but Hostinger is providing us. This is one of the best part. The basic plan gives you 50 GB of a storage and the starter and a business plan have a 100 GB and a 200 GB respectively. One more benefit you get from the starter plan is that you will get a free domain with this hosting. This applies from the starter to professional WordPress hosting but not in the basic plan. On many other websites, you have to pay for SSL certificate, but Hostinger is our company who is providing you SSL certificate free of cost. It is somewhat related to the security. You can take a backup of your data weekly or a daily as per your requirement. Another amazing thing about Hostinger is that it provides unlimited bandwidth as other companies are not providing. They are providing limited bandwidth. If you need a more bandwidth, you have to pay for that. In the basic plan, you can get one free email, and in the other plans, you can create as many as you need. All the plans are under 30-day money back plan, and there are many other features you can read it here. I recommend you to go with the starter plan as it is giving you a 3 month of a free hosting. Now let's quickly compare all the plans and know which one is good for you. Now click on the add to cart, and it is showing us the various options available in this plan. For 1 month it is 589 rupees and 239 rupees per month if you buy it for 12 months. If you buy it for 24 months, it will charge you 179 rupees per month and 149 rupees per month for 48 months plan. As you can see, the duration is increasing, the price is decreasing. It is good to buy for 48 months as it is charging 149 rupees per month plus 3 months of a free hosting. Choose for 48 months, and here you enter your email ID. Next, fill the basic information, and if you have any coupons, enter here for additional discounts. In the last, choose the payment option whatever you want and then click submit secure payment, as here you done with the purchasing of your hosting. If you want to claim your free domain with your hosting plan, then first of all search for a good domain name, and in the dashboard you get an option to claim your free domain. So click on that, and it asks you for the domain name to enter and the basic information like your name, address, etc. and fill that information. Click register. Here you all done. Once you register your domain, the next thing is how to install the WordPress, because we are going to work on a WordPress. Let's understand this too. In the dashboard of a Hostinger, click on the website menu. Here click on the create or migrate a website. From here select the portfolio. Select create a new website. Next, select skip I will start from a scratch option. Now choose a domain name from the drop down menu. Here make it sure to select the right domain name, otherwise it will install WordPress on the wrong website, or you will working on existing website, it will replace that website. Now click select. Here we are almost done, and click on manage the site. This drop down is showing all the domains you have. Make sure to select the right domain only. The selected domain is showing in the URL too. You can refresh the page to make sure that which domain is selected. From the left sidebar, expand the website option and then select the WordPress. Now click on the install button to install the WordPress. Pop-up will appear. Here you give the name of your website and set the admin password and username. It is very important to remember this password and a username, as you will log into your WordPress using these username and password only. There is nothing to set in the advanced option. Click next. Here do not change anything, it's alright. Make sure that it is the right domain for which you are installing the WordPress. Before clicking on the install, let's quickly open your domain or a website and check is it okay or not. Now come back to the installation window and click install. It will take a few seconds to a minute. Let's wait for that. Now check for your website again. Here you can see WordPress is successfully installed. This is the way you can install the WordPress, and here click on the edit website to land on the WordPress dashboard. This is the interface of a WordPress, and you can customize it in whichever the way you want. If you are using it for very first time, click on the learn. Here you get a tutorial. there are two ways by which you can access your WordPress dashboard. The first way is to access through the Hostinger dashboard, and the second way is to access the WordPress by entering the website URL, then backslash, then write WP admin and press enter. Here enter the credentials of your website that you set while installing the WordPress. Here you landed on the WordPress dashboard. At this point you are ready to go with your WordPress and start building your website. This is the dashboard of a WordPress. Let's make this dashboard neat and clean. From the screen option, untick these all one by one. It will hide the notification whatever you are seeing on the dashboard. Now our dashboard is looking neat and clean. Let's quickly do some changes that are required. In the plugins, first of all, uninstall all the plugins that are not required. Select those plugins, then deactivate them. Lightspeed Cache is a very useful plugin. Don't delete this plugin. You can deactivate it for now. Now again select the plugins and then delete the selected plugin. Now let's move to comments. Delete all the comments whatever you have now in the comments. Delete all the posters whatever we have, because we write our new posters. These are the by default posters. As we write our new post, now that is the dashboard looking very neat and clean. Here I got a notification to update the WordPress. Let me update it by clicking it here. It is successfully updated. After updating the WordPress, now it is time to install the theme for our website. Click on Add New. In the search bar, write down Ocean WP and click Enter. This is the theme. Click on it and now install it. It will take a few seconds to install this theme. After it is installed, now click on Activate it. As we can see, this theme is activated because it is showing a customize option. Let's delete the rest of the themes that are not required anymore. Now it's time to install the required plugins. In the plugins, click on Add New. Write down Ocean Extra. This is the plugin. Install this plugin. Next plugin that we require is Contact Form 7. This plugin will be used to create our contact form. Install it and next plugin is to show our posters, that is Post Grid. Install this plugin. The next one plugin is Elementor. This plugin will be used to design the website. Don't activate any plugin from here. We will activate all these plugins at once. Now go to plugins, select all the plugins and activate these all. Immediately after activating the plugins, it will take you to the website of Elementor. It is very important to connect the website with the Elementor. It will automatically take us to the Elementor website for integration. If you already have an account on the Elementor, you can log in with that, or otherwise create a new account. I already have an account, so I'm going to log in with that. I have logged in my account, and after this click on Let's Do It button. These are the steps we have to follow. Now continue with the Hello theme, or you can skip it. Now it is asking to give a name of your site. Click Next. You can upload a logo or you can skip it. Next, it is asking to whether you want to edit the page with the templates or you want a blank page. I select a blank page. Click on a blank page. Now it is take us to the WordPress dashboard. In this way we have connected our WordPress with the Elementor. Now it is ready to use. You can use it. To learn how to connect the Rank Path plugin with our website for SEO, Google Search Console and Google Analytics. First of all, click on the plugins. From here, click on Add New. In the search bar, write down Rank Math. Here, this is the plugin that we have to install. Click on Install. Now activate it. It is the time to connect the Rank Path plugin to our website. Now let's start with that. First of all, click on the plugins. From here, click on Add New. In the search bar, write down Rank Math. Here, this is the plugin that we have to install. Click on Install. Now activate it. First of all, click on the Rank Math plugin that you already have installed. Now click on this big blue button. At this moment, select how you want to move further. Here I select my Google account. You can select whatever the account you want to. Now choose your Google email account. In the next window, it is showing the website URL. Make sure you choosing the right one. Now click Activate Now. In the next screen, select the Advanced option and click Start Wizard. The next screen asks you to enter some kind of information regarding your website. From here, select the type of a website from this drop down. Give the name of your website. You can upload the logo of your website and choose the default social share image. Let me choose the logo of my website. default social share image is not compulsory, but you can use it. Social share image means when we share our blog on any social media platform, there it shows the feature image. Sometimes if we don't have set any feature image for any blog, then this by default image, that is social share image, will show there. Social share image is nothing but a default feature image for your blog. The very next step, it is asking to connect your website with the Google services like a search console and analytics. Here choose the Gmail account and give access to the rank math and click continue. Make it sure to trust on a rank math and give all the permissions whatever rank math is asking. After giving these permissions, click on a continue. Now it will connect our website automatically with the search console. From this drop down, it shows the name of your website. Select your website name. If here the name of your website is not shown, please click on this reconnect button shown above. Try again. Now your website name will be shown here. Scroll down. Create a new GA4 property for your website, and then from this select the website from the top down. Now click on this button. On the very next screen, it is asking for the sitemap. Sitemap is very important for Google and as well as for users. Whenever Google crawler come to our website, by using sitemap, Google know what is the map of our website, which page means what and in which direction to go, how many pages your website have and all. Keep these all information as it is and save it. Now you can see here it is asking for external links and no follow links. Again, don't change anything and save and continue. At this place here we are almost done with our setup of our rank math. Click on a setup advanced options. Here nothing is to change. Simply click on a save and continue. In the next screen, again click save and continue. In the schema markup, make sure to select an article. Here, blog post, article, and rest of the things are good. And now save and continue. Now we are done with the rank math integration. In this place, in the analytic option, we can track the performance of the website like ranking of our website, positioning of our keywords, whatever we are using in our website or a blog. It will start showing you result after a few days or after a month. Now it's time to configure the Google Analytics with our website. It's a kind of linking to a website to track the traffic and other parameters. First of all, open the Google Analytics and create a GA4 property. Now this screen will be shown. It is showing the information on your website, and click on the website. In this screen, it is asking that website is not connected with Google Analytics. For this, you have to add Google tags. Now click on the view tag instructions. It is asking to install the Google tag. You can do it by using two ways. The first way is by using plugins. These are the plugins you can use. These are by default suggested by the Google Analytics. The other way is to install it manually. Now click on install manually. It is showing the code. You can copy this code and now go to the dashboard of the WordPress website. Under the appearance, click on the theme editor. In the right sidebar, search for the header file. Here this is. Now open this file and find out the head section of this code. Simply paste the code in the head section and save it. Simply paste the code and save it. I already did it, so it is not required to paste it again. Now go back to the Google Analytics. From here, choose the website and click on its property. It is not showing any kind of a tracking because it shows the tracking after 48 hours of this tagging. Here, so in this way we are done installing Rank Math, setup and configuring of Rank Math plugin with our Google Analytics. After 48 hours, now let's see whether it is start tracking the data or not. As you can see, it is tracking the data. It is showing the data from other countries here. And from here you can see the real-time traffic on your website. WordPress dashboard. As it is our very first post, we need some pages to add. These pages may be home and a blog page, so let's add these all. Click on the pages. Now click on add new. Add a new page and name it with the home. Let's publish it. And now I'm going to add one more page name with blog. Let's quickly open the website and see how it is looking right now. These are the pages we have already added, home and blog. The next step is to click on a posts. Here you can see a button named with add new. Click on it and start creating the post. This is the area where we put our title for the post, and it should include the focus keyword. Make sure that your title is catchy but also it accurately reflecting the content of your post. As we are going to write an article with the help of a ChatGPT, let's ask the ChatGPT to suggest us a nice title. It is suggesting me the digital revolution, understanding the power of digital marketing. Actually, it is very nice. Here you can enter your focus keyword. This is the keyword that your blog post will target, and it should be something that people are searching for. Make sure to choose a keyword that is relevant to your post. When we write the focus keyword, the SEO score increases. And if we delete the focus keyword, it decreases to its SEO score to 0. It is showing the SEO green for focus keyword is used in the SEO title. In this way, We are resolving these all issues and our SEO score will increase. Let's quickly disable the breadcrumbs. Next, rank myth is asking the focus keyword is not used in the URL. Let's quickly publish this post and see. Now it is showing green for this also. Next we will move to write on the post. I command the ChatGPT to write me a nice post on what is digital marketing. Let's copy this text and paste it under the title. Now press enter and click on this plus icon. Now add a heading and then take a tool of paragraph and copy the text from ChatGPT and then paste into the paragraph section. The next point is, what is the importance of a digital marketing? Paste it in the heading section. Now copy the text and paste it in the post. Take a paragraph and paste it here. Now take one more heading. The next heading is what is SEO. Copy this from ChatGPT. Come back to our dashboard. And in the post, paste it here. Press enter. Now copy the text for SEO from the ChatGPT. Copy it and paste it here. Press enter and select the heading. Go back to ChatGPT and select the next heading. Now select the next heading. Now paste the heading what is social media marketing. Now copy the text that is describing what is social media marketing. Copy it from here and paste under the heading. Let's quickly add one more heading. Next is what is email marketing. Paste it here, press enter, select the text from ChatGPT, and paste it under the heading section. In this way we can select the text from ChatGPT and paste it here. I strongly recommend you to please rewrite this data from ChatGPT. Don't try to simply copy and paste in your post. Now add one more heading, that is content marketing, and select the content from the ChatGPT. Copy it and paste it under the content marketing heading. Take one more heading. The next one is a conclusion. I request the ChatGPT to write me a nice conclusion on what is digital marketing. I'm just copying the data from here. Give a heading named conclusion. And now paste the conclusion here. It's a nice lengthy content. It is showing that 1 to 6, 7 words are used here, and it asking the focus keyword is also used in the meta description. Focus keyword is used and all these all are now SEO green. That is why this SEO score is increased. Now update it and let's see how it is looking right now on the website. This is our website. It is looking nice right now, but we can improve it more. Let's see the next matrix. It is asking you don't have any table of content in your post. Let's add that. Under the heading, press enter and click on the plus icon. Search for table of content. This is that much easy. Now it will automatically add the table of content, and it is also showing green for table of content, and update it. The next thing is we are not using any media files like photos, images or video files. Click here and search for images. We can upload from our system or media library, and one more option is from URL. I'm selecting it from media files. I already uploaded it here. Give it a nice alt text. Alt text help us to rank the images on the Google search results. Also, we can resize the image from here as per our requirement. Adding images is very easy. Now add few more images. Click on a plus button, select the image. Select this image, give it a alt text and insert it. Now resize this image too. Now add one more image for what is email marketing. Select the image tool, media files. This is email marketing. And insert it. Now we see we have added 3 images already. Let me add one more image for content writing. Here I have a content writing image. Give it alt text and insert it. Now update it. It is asking your title does not contain a positive word, it does not contain a number. Let's edit it. In the edit snippet, let's add a SEO title here. Copy from ChatGPT and paste it here. You can rearrange as per your requirement. You can add numbers, power words, positive words, negative words. It will increase the SEO score. I'm arranging it as per my requirement. Now update it. It is asking to use the focus keyword in the beginning of the SEO title. Let's rearrange it again. If you add the number here or a positive or a negative keyword, then your SEO score will improve more and it will go above from 77 to 78, 79. It's totally depend on the keyword and the score. Now update it again and check. It is asking you are using a number. And under the title readability, your title does not contain a power word. Add do follow links, add internal and external links. Now it's turn to add the internal and external links here. Internal link means the links within our website, linking the one page or a post to the another. Simply select any text, click on the link button and enter the link whatever you want to enter here. It must be your website link. As this is 79 right now. If I will add and update it, it will increase to 84. Now our blog post is SEO green, means it is good to go. And the external link means linking your website to the other website or an external website. I have added the internal and external link. This is very easy. Simply select the text and hover over it. There is a link button. Click on that and paste their code. The next SEO is to add a power word in the SEO title. If you don't know what is the power word and all, now click on this question mark here and you get a list of these all keywords, whatever we call the power word. You can use as per your requirement in your post. Let me add a power word to my article. Here I am adding one of the word, which is our blog post and content AI. Content AI means the keyword that we are going to use in our article. In the free version we can use only up to 5 keywords per post. Let's add these all. Green keyword means this keyword is found in the article in a good number of times. Let's add one more and see it. Of all keywords in the article more than recommended. That is why it is switched to orange. If we use keyword more than required, it is counted as a keyword stuffing. Now let's see our blog post on the website. This is the post. It looks nice and length is also good. But see, here we don't have set any featured image. Now click on this setting gear icon to add the featured image. From here we can add the featured image. Select the image, and at this point our blog post is ready for with proper SEO. Your post should be informative and engaging. Always use a subheadings and a bullets point to make it easy to read, and it should include images and video to break up the text. Finally, our very first ever blog post is ready. If you don't have a website, you can buy it from one of the best hosting provider, that is Hostinger. I will provide you the link of a Hostinger in the description box. Now let's start creating a website. I have added all the necessary pages required for any website. Let's open the home page with Elementor. This is the interface of Elementor. These all are the widgets. You can select any of the widgets and add in your website. From here, you can do SEO directly from the Elementor. Earlier this option was not here. In the elements, you will get all the list of widgets. From here, you can select the layout of the website by clicking on these 6 dots. You will get all the options related to this layout. Inside this layout, you can drag and drop the widgets. You can make changes like changing the name of the text. You can style it as per your requirement. For a better design, you can change the formatting, colors, font, padding and a margin. There are many other things for styling purpose. To edit any widget, click on that and you will get all the options related to that widget. We do not require this layout, so I am deleting it. We need a layout that has 2 portions. Here add a heading. Now add one text editor. On the other side, add an image widget. Now let's edit the heading section. I am writing my heading for "Are you willing to digital journey?" Then let's start right from here. You can customize it as per your requirement or according to the niche of your website. In the style, you can change the color to whatever the color you like. In the typography, you can change the font type. Now I am writing in the text editor as I am going to use it as my subscriber portion, so I am writing regarding that. Now let's change the background color of the hero section. You can do it by selecting the layout by clicking on 6 dots here. In the style tab, select the color whatever you want, or you can choose any kind of a image. I am selecting a popular shade, that is purple color. I am going to save this color as this is the primary color of my website and it will repeatedly use. Now it's time to add image by clicking on the image icon. Select the image from the media library. As it is not looking very nice, let's style it. First of all, change the font color for heading and for the text editor. As the heading is almost touching the top of the hero section, so first of all bring it a little bit down. I am doing it by increasing the margin or a padding. First of all, delink it, then increase the padding from the top and bottom as per the requirement. The heading text is not enough big. From the style tab, increase the size of the text. I like this much size. The header and the hero section has a different color, so it is not looking good. Let's change the header color as per the hero section color. To do that, go to WordPress dashboard. Here under the appearance, you will find option customize. First of all, copy the color code from the hero section. We will use this same color for the header. Under the general, paste the color code that we have copied here. In the general section, we can change the positioning of the menus, like we can set is left, right, center or justified. I don't like the color of a menus as the menu is not visible enough. Change the color of the menus to the white. We can change the color from here. There are a lot many settings that you can change according to the website requirement. In the footer, let's change the copyright. You can change the padding, margin and background color of the text also. Let's publish it. Get back to the Elementor editor. Save all the changes and refresh the page to reflect the changes that we have did in the customization. It is the time to add the form for subscription. In the WordPress widgets, you can get a MailChimp form for sign up. First of all, we need to connect our website with the MailChimp for proper working. Open the MailChimp website and log in there. Click on the profile name. You got the option called profile. Click on it. Under the extra, you got an option for API key. Scroll a little bit down, it will show you the list of all the API keys, whatever you have. You can generate a new keys by clicking on create a new key. First of all, give it a name and then click on generate a new key. Copy the key from here. On the WordPress dashboard, click on the Ocean WP where you got an option for integration. Here paste the API key. Now we need audience ID. Under the audience in the right top corner, click on manage audience and then settings. Here at the bottom of the page, copy the audience ID and paste it into the WordPress dashboard and save the changes. Now our website is connected with MailChimp. Now select one more layout and add a divider here. Set the width of the divider to whatever you like in this style. You can change the color of the divider and increase or decrease the gap. I want divider color should be our primary color, that is purple. Next, take one more layout here. We are going to show our posters for our blogs. Select the grid layout to show the posters. It will automatically show the list of our blogs, whatever you have written till now. We can change the layout and design of the grid widget from here. I am just making some changes to look my blog post nice. In the settings, you can control the blog post for what to show and what not to show. You can disable the title for the section or a post. You can disable the thumbnail or a feature image. Metadata will enable or disable the author's information. In the section title, you can choose the style of the section and change the title from here. I am writing recent posts. In the post title, you can make changes like changing the heading. Under the thumbnail, you can change the size of an image. You can increase or decrease the length of the content for your choice. You can change the style of a read more button from here. If you want to show some kind of icon for read more button, you can select from here. It have a huge number of icons. From here, you can change the position of the icons. You can set it on the left side or a right side. As the heading of a recent post is hide in the corner, so I am aligning it to the center. Blog post and title of the section are very near to the top of the section, so let's change the margin. Now it looks nice. The next step is to change the color of the heading as per our primary color of the website. We can change the style of the post title, like we can align it, we can change the opacity of the feature image. You will get all the styling options related to all the widgets, whatever you will use or wanna click. The next step is to add widget to the footer. Go to the WordPress dashboard. Under the appearance, click on customization. Now click on widgets. In footer 1, add the widget for image, as we are going to add a logo for our website. Upload the logo. This logo size is very big, so resize it from here. Let's publish it. We can set the widget from customization and also directly from the WordPress dashboard. We can add some social media in this space. Add whatever the social media account you have and give them the URL. I have my Facebook, Twitter and YouTube account, so I am adding it here. In footer 3, I want to add the list of pages that I have. Now take a widget for the pages. It will automatically show the list of pages, and now publish the changes. Let's see how it is looking on the website. As widgets are not showing on the website, let's fix this issue. Go to the customization. Under the footer widgets, there you got an option for the column. You can increase or decrease the number of a column to show in the footer. Previously it was set to one column, that's why rest of the widgets are not showing. Create as many as space you want to show there. Now publish the changes and refresh the website. Now our widgets are displaying on the website. Till now we have designed the hero section and blog space. I want my blog title color should be seen as the website primary color, that is purple. Simply paste the code in the post title. Our next step is to display all the blog posters on the blog page. To do so, there is one setting in the WordPress dashboard. Under the setting, click on Reading. The home page display should be a static page. Post page must be a blog page. You can select from this drop down. From here you can set the number of posters display on one page. Now save the changes. In the permalink, the URL structure should be by post name. It's time to design the sidebar display on the blog pages. We can set the widgets on the sidebar as per our convenience. These are by default widgets. I don't like these, so I'm just deleting these all widgets. Click on this plus icon and select the latest post. We can show here social share icon also. Select the list of a social media icon. And now you have to display on the website and save the changes. Now select the list of social media icons you have and you want to display on the website. After this, save the changes and refresh the page on website. In the customization, we can style these icons like we can set these as a colored one. Now publish it and refresh the website. Social share icons are displaying on the website and looking nice. Now it's time to design a contact page. To do so, we need a plugin named Contact Form 7 that we already have installed and activate. Go to the setting of this plugin. Here we already have a form. We can add and delete the fields and make changes the way you want. You can add these many fields in the form. You can change the name of any field and add any new field if you want. Copy this short code. To add this contact form to our page, let's create a space for contact form on the contact page. Select the layout. And drag and drop the short code widget. Now paste the short code in this area. I don't want to display the sidebar on the contact page. So open the contact page. And under the main option, set the content layout to 100% or you can set it as a full width. Save the changes and now refresh the contact page. It is looking nice now. Now refresh the Elementor also. We can increase or decrease the width of our form on the left side, or you can give the information if you want any. I'm just providing here the basic information like email ID, and I want to write something about myself. If you want to give link anywhere, you can just select the text and hover over it. You can find an option to add the link. You can write a little bit information about your company, about your business, about yourself. Right now, contact page is looking like this. Now take one more layout above the contact form. And here drag and drop the heading widget. I want this website contact page to be simple, so I'm just adding a text here. You can use image or any kind of animation. In the typography, increase the size of a text. As we see, the contact page title is almost touching the header, so let's increase the padding. I am increasing the padding from top and bottom. Our contact page is very simple and beautiful and ready to use. Now refresh the website to see the changes. The last page we have to design is About Us. Open the About Us page with the Elementor to start editing. Select the layout and drag and drop the heading. Make it center. Now increase the size of this title. Take one more layout. And here drag and drop the text editor. I have just copied the About Me text from my other website, and I'm just editing it here according to this website. I am just giving the link to the text right now. The About Us page is looking like this. The text is not justified. The text is not justified and it is not looking good. Let me set it justified. Now it is looking like a box type. It looks good. We do not need a sidebar on the About Us page, so set the content width of this page also 100% or a full width. Now it is looking good on the website. Heading and text have a very less space between them. Let's increase the padding. Now it's time to add an image to the About Us page. Increase or decrease the width of both columns. If sometime the title of the post is displaying on the page itself, you can disable it from the WordPress editor. Open that post and disable the title. Now, after refreshing the blog post, it is not showing the title of the post. The last portion is to add a layout if you have any kind of affiliation. drag and drop the heading. Write down about your affiliation. As I have affiliation for the host India, so I am writing about that. Now take an image widget to show the banner of our affiliation. I want the heading and image should be aligned in one row. So just adding one more column. Now copy the image and paste it into the new column. Delete the old image. Increase or decrease the size of both the column from here. You can style it as per your requirement. I think it is good to use the primary color of our website for this heading. You can set the link on this image. Copy the URL for your affiliation website landing page and paste in this box. I don't want my affiliation link will be open in the same tab. So I'm just tick marking it to make it sure that the affiliation link will open in a new tab. You can set this link to follow or not follow. Just update the page. On the website, if you click on this affiliation banner, it will take you to the URL that we have set there. I want to add my affiliation banner to this sidebar also. I'm just adding an image widget and connecting it with the landing page. Now publish the changes. In this way, we have designed a website. I hope this video will help you to design a website for your blog posts or any kind of a business. Please subscribe to my channel if you like my video, and you can share my video if you like this video. Thank you so much.